Okay, this is an oscillating belt sander. So that means this is going to move up and down and spin at the same time. An oscillating belt sander.
How much does it cost?
I think this is $1,200. Thanks for bringing that up. Make sure you're sanding on the right side of this. The most dangerous thing you can do while sanding on the oscillating belt sander is let go of your project. It'll flip into here and jam in here and stop the machine from running. If you're over here, you can sand a curve on this edge and do a concave curve. So it's not only for convex, it's for concave also, but if you're doing concave, you're over here on the very end of it. So I'll start it up, watch the motion, you can actually see it go up and down. If you look right here, you'll see it moving about 1/4 inch. Okay, now I'll sand it a little bit, keep it moving. Cut it off. Good enough.